Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add phone number in Roblox account. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your Roblox, and once you're here, go ahead and click your settings, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then click account info. And what you will have to do is you will scroll to phone number, so it should be anywhere here. And if you do see it, what you will have to do is basically just click your phone number, and then you will just have to click add, and then after that what you will have to do is enter your number and verify via code, and via code sent via SMS, and then you will just have to save changes. And by the way, this is optional, but you could also enable two-step verification using the phone number. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.